Now the fire is burning low and glowing red and gold. September images remembered, keep out rain and cold. We rode across the rainbow range, through fallow fields of haze. Your hair was gold, the leaves were golden, Palomino days. And everything was golden then. There was gold dust in the stream. Golden horses, river courses were swift like fading dreams. And we were running down the sun through yellow aspen blades. We rode our golden ponies through those Palomino days. Amber skies, topaz eyes, and eagles on the wing, reflected in your eyes when I gave you a shining ring. The sun flashed on my golden spurs through autumn's tawny rays. Oh, what I'd give once more to live those Palomino days. And everything was golden then. There was gold dust in the streams. Golden horses, river courses were swift like fading dreams. And we were running down the sun through yellow aspen blades. We rode our golden ponies through those Palomino days. What I'd give once more to live those Palomino days. 1, 2, 3. You're not supposed to say the word cancer in a song, and telling folks that Jesus is the answer can rub them wrong. It ain't hip to sing about tractors, trucks, little towns, or mama. Yeah, that might be true, but this is country music, and we do. Do you like to drink a cold one on the weekend and get a little loud? Or do you want to say I'm sorry or I love you, but you don't know how? Some next time he yells at you. Well, this is country music, and we do. So turn it on, and turn it up, and sing along. This is real, this is your life in a song. Yeah, this is country music. Are you haunted by the echo of your mother on the phone, crying as she tells you that your brother is not coming home? Well, if there's anyone that still has pride in the memory of those that died defending the old red, white, and blue, well, this is country music, and we do. So turn it on, or turn it up, and sing along. This is real, this is your life in a song. Just like a road that takes you home. Yeah, this is right where you belong. This is country music. This is country music. He stopped loving her today. This is country music. Hello, darling. God bless the USA. This is country music. Amarillo by morning. This is country music. Stand by your man. This is country music. Mama tried. This is country music. Take me home. This is country music. I walk the line. This is country music. So country boy can survive. This is country
Well, if you ask me where I come from, here's what I tell everyone. I was born by God's dear grace in an extraordinary place where the stars and stripes and the eagle fly. It's a big old land with countless dreams, and happiness ain't out of reach. Hard work pays off the way it should. Yeah, I've seen enough to know that we've got it good, where the stars and stripes and the eagle fly. There's a lady that stands in a harbor for what we believe. And there's a bell that still echoes the price that it costs to be free. I pledge allegiance to this flag, and if that bothers you, well, that's too bad. But if you got pride and you're proud you do, hey, we could use some more like me and you. Where the stars and stripes and the eagle fly. Yes, there's a lady that stands in a harbor for what we believe. And there's a bell that still echoes the price that it costs to be free. No, it ain't the only place on earth, but it's the only place that I prefer to love my wife and raise my kids, hey, the same way that my daddy did. Where the stars and stripes and the eagle fly.